Hello, I am Kirit Parikh. I work with H&R Block and I am a registered tax return preparer with IRS. Please call me at 216-459-8044 so we will make an appointment to prepare your tax return for 2012. We are located in the Ridge Park Square and we are next to Applebee's, and our address is 7305 Northcliffe Avenue in Brooklyn, Ohio 44144, and my name is Kirit, K-I-R-I-T. Thank you for choosing H&R Block. Take care. Bye-bye.